Dynamics 365 in manufacturing, the smarter advantage. Modern manufacturing has evolved significantly. Faster production, smarter operations, and efficient supply chains are key to success. With Dynamics 365, all that becomes simpler. Manufacturing businesses struggle with manual processes, disconnected systems, and unpredictable demand, which slow them down. But what if you could make your data work in a smarter way? Dynamics 365 unifies finance, operations, supply chain, and production in one AI-enriched system, which turns raw, disparate data in real-time insights. Never run out of stock or overstock again. With AI-driven inventory optimization, you always have the right materials at the right times. Worried about downtime? Not anymore. With predictive maintenance, you can detect issues before they actually happen, keeping your production line running smoothly. With real-time scheduling, you can dynamically adapt to demands, boosting efficiency and reducing waste, keeping costs in check. Delays happen. But with connected supply chains, you can use Dynamics 365 to solve disruptions and ensure deliveries are made on time, every time. With AI-powered quality control, you can guarantee that every product meets the highest quality control standards. Know what your customers need before your competitors do. With AI-driven insights, you can forecast demands accurately and stay one step ahead of the market. Make your manufacturing operations smarter with Dynamics 365. Contact Evolvous and discover how our AI-powered solutions can transform your business.